Hi, I'm Barbara Battisti, and I'm calling from St. Pete Beach, Florida. And I'm just here and privileged to share with you some amazing technologies that I find so fascinating. And I think every home should have them in their toolkit, their wellness toolkit. Now, we make no medical claims, and we're here to share our stories and entertain you a little bit, hopefully, on that. But this is an amazing device. This is our Kinko Touch. And if you can see right here, it's got some amazing pulsating magnetic field. And I have it on low. And actually low, I find a little bit more effective than the high. So just know that it's like Darth Vader. I like to think of Darth Vader. It's a beam coming out of this like a wand. So if I put it here, it's going all the way through to my spine and giving it a great massage. So you don't have to reach around to get your neck, or well, it does feel good to do that, but to get between your shoulder blades and to get that area where we hold a lot of stress and tension, you just put it on right here and pulse it through, and you're getting an amazing natural energy field that's relaxing your body. The body's brilliant. It knows what to do. It knows how to heal. It's what happens is it just brings energy to that area, so that way it can relax. It can stimulate enough to loosen it up, to dump the toxins, to help it feel all less stiff and achy, which we want to do. We want to have that youth area. Now I got Hattie Jane on, and Hattie Jane, I believe you still have your kitty available. So take it away, Hattie Jane.
And here is where you're going to hear the clack, clack, clack. But as you can see, Felix likes, well, he's been here a little while, so he's saying, well, maybe I'll move it over here a bit. And he just cuddles right on into it. And he's wearing the bracelet around thing, but it's this every day. I make sure that he has a full cycle of this, and that's helping him with his difficulties, and he's healed beautifully from where he scratched his face up like mad. So he's saying, well, that feels good, but let me change positions here. But as you can see, he really likes it.
Oh, that's so great. You know, animals do know, and they do love it. And it's the energy of the earth and the energy of the sun brought together in this amazing handheld tool. Now we have, so get with the person that invited you to check this stuff out, because this is something you want in your toolkit. That is for sure. I'm going to go ahead and add back to you the CM cream here for my back and my neck and shoulders. I just really beat up my shin. So I put this on both sides of my shin and the joint capsules. Now, a dose is 4 because they're these amazing little gel. You can see them. There you go. And I can take 2 of these when I get home. I'm a little stiff and achy. I've done a little bit too much out there, and it takes that edge off. It's really amazing. And so it's cetyl myristoyate. We don't know. It's a wonderful aspect that goes right to your joints, right to your area, and makes a big difference. But this little guy here, just a little dab will go up on either side of your neck, help with muscles and tension and stiff achiness, but it builds over time and you don't need it all the time. So really great thing to have, take that edge off. I think of it's 4 to 6% difference in how bad I'm hurting. So just wanted to share that with you guys, and get with the person that invited you, because we have such amazing technologies here. Thank you.